We're going to take this wall and we're going to paint it our chroma key green. Many of you know that my training and really first love in photography is portrait photography, and I'm very, very fortunate that we are able to repurpose a bedroom in our home to use as a portrait studio. And as you look around, you can kind of see behind me, I've got some backgrounds up and I've got my lighting set up, and we're going to be doing in the future some instructional videos on portraiture, posing, lighting, many different subjects. This will also double as my studio for YouTube, that I'll be able to do the intros and outros. In fact, I've already used it in a couple and have been slowly evolving and setting up the lights as I continue to acquire more and more of the pieces that I need or get them ready. But what we're going to do today in the studio is we're going to take this wall that's right here and we're going to paint it our chroma key green so that we can have a green screen along this wall in order to do different backgrounds. I thought that would be a grand thing. And here we have the finished green screen product right here behind me. What do you think? I think we can call this project a success. This is going to be a great space to continue these YouTube videos. As always, I'm James Fisher. This is Vintage Illumination Photography. Thanks for joining me.